Board intelligence, through our platform and consultancy work, essentially help to improve conversations and decision-making in the boardroom.
What does it take to have a really good board meeting? Well, you have to have the right people around the table, you have to have the right infrastructure, and then you have to have good information. So giving boards good information from which they can make really informed choices and decisions is our sweet spot.
So here at Board Intelligence, we aim to surprise and delight. And what that really means is that we want to deliver exceptional customer service to our users.
So we're looking to unpack all of the kind of legacy problems and issues that boards have around the board table. The manifesto of the company hasn't really changed since day one. It's about unlocking better conversation in the boardroom and how we can make boards make better decisions in a much quicker fashion. We tailor our approach depending on what sort of client we work with. It's a real step change in the way that most boards operate, and the results are almost instantaneous as well.
I enjoy walking into the office. I enjoy seeing people who are not just colleagues but friends. I love the problem-solving aspect of the client assignments that we do, and I just enjoy the intellectual to and fro, and the calibre of people that we have here is awesome.
We're like a closer family. There's very few places I've ever worked that feel like this, where I come to work and I don't feel like there's an us and them to any part of the business. Everyone gets along together, everyone eats together, goes out together, like happy to talk to anyone in the business, which is quite rare.
It's an extremely flat hierarchy, and I think that's fantastic because you get this early responsibility. For example, the other day I spoke to our CEO about an idea I had, and she turned around and said, actually, that's fantastic, you're now the lead on that project. And to have that interaction is something that you wouldn't really get at other companies.
The social aspect of the business is really, really important for us. So whether that's tapas and wine tasting in the office, whether that's going out ice skating, whether that's going to a West End show, making time for that is as important as anything else, essentially.
One of my favourite things about working at Board Intelligence is the level of trust that's placed in me, because it's not just managers feeding stuff down the chain and us just dealing with it. It's very much a collaborative process, which I really enjoy.
I think the work that we do has a real impact on the organisations we work with, whether that's a government, a hospital trust, and that has a wider impact on society, so I know that I'm coming to work and making a difference.
No other organisation, I think, can boast the kind of names that we do when it comes to the sort of profile of the sort of clients that we work with. You can quite easily track the journey from where that problem originated, the challenges that client faced, right through to present day as to the change that we've made. And because of the high profile nature of our clients, you can often see that reflected into the business pages of the papers and social media, etc. It still gives me the buzz that it did on day one as it does now 5 years later.